KoocinayPH. Easy recipe ideas every day. For today's recipe,
Viral cheesy egg bread pizza. Ingredients: 6 slices tasty bread, 1/2 cup tomato or pizza sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 to 3 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, optional. Toppings of choice: sliced bell peppers, mushrooms, ham, or cooked bacon. 1 tablespoon olive oil or melted butter. Instructions. Method 1. Oven. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Arrange the tasty bread slices on a baking tray to form a rectangle or circle. Press edges slightly together. Brush bread lightly with olive oil or melted butter. Spread pizza sauce evenly. Sprinkle mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Crack eggs on top. Season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Add your favorite toppings. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until cheese melts and eggs are cooked. Slice and serve hot. Method 2. Pan or kawali, no oven. Heat a non-stick pan or kawali on low heat. Arrange the tasty bread slices in the pan and press edges together. Brush lightly with olive oil or butter. Spread pizza sauce over the bread. Add mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Crack the eggs on top and season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Add your toppings. Cover the pan with a lid and cook on low heat for 8 to 10 minutes until the cheese melts and eggs are cooked. Slice and serve warm. Save this recipe. Like, share, and subscribe to KoocinayPH.